नमस्ते बच्चों, मेरा नाम है सज्जन कुमार और आप देख रहे हैं बायोलॉजी क्लास प्रिंसिपल भाटी कॉलेज की ओर से। गाइस, इस क्लास में हमको डिस्कस करना है रिप्रोडक्शन इन बैक्टीरिया। यही टॉपिक हमारा चल रहा था, इसी को हमको आगे अभी और डिस्कस करना है। देखिए, थोड़ा रिव्यू करते हैं हल्का सा पहले, फिर से 1 मिनट के लिए। एक्चुअल में हम पढ़ क्या रहे हैं, आपकी बायोलॉजी में पहला चैप्टर है द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ लिविंग वर्ल्ड, और इसमें जो साइंटिस्ट R.H. व्हिटेकर थे, उन्होंने पूरे लिविंग वर्ल्ड को 5 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया था। एंड दीज 5 पार्ट्स आर, नंबर 1 इज मोनेरा, नंबर 2 इज प्रोटिस्टा, नंबर 3 इज फंजाई, नंबर 4 इज प्लांटी, और नंबर 5 इज एनिमेलिया। सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट नंबर 1 पार्ट, और वी कैन से नंबर फर्स्ट किंगडम, दैट इज मोनेरा. Mona means single, means in this kingdom the all living organisms made up of single cells, and you can say all living are single cellular organisms, and these cells are prokaryotic type. Okay, now in the example of Monera, that is bacteria, cyanobacteria, mycoplasma, etc., etc. So we are discussing about number first example, that is bacteria, and the last classes we already discussed about what is the size and shape of bacteria, what is the mechanism of respiration of bacteria, and size shape हो गया, reproduction. हाँ, in last class we discussed about reproduction in bacteria. Okay, so we know very well in the case of reproduction of bacteria, reproduction of bacteria, this can be 2 types. You know very well, number 1 type is asexual reproduction, while number 2 is sexual reproduction. And last class we discussed asexual reproduction type. Number 1 is by binary fission. Binary fission. Second, by forming of endospores. बाई फॉर्मिंग ऑफ एंडोस्पोर्स, ये भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. इसके बाद है बाई फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कोनिडिया. बाई फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कोनिडिया, these all are type of asexual reproduction in bacteria. Now we are going to discuss about sexual reproduction. In the case of sexual reproduction, this is not occur as the eukaryotic type of sexual reproduction, because the sexual reproduction is true, means that is genetic recombination, means the recombination of genetic material. So sexual reproduction in the Monera is commonly known as genetic recombination process. Genetic recombination process. Now we are going to discuss the types of sexual reproduction in bacteria. Number one is conjugation. Conjugation means scientists Latterberg and Tatum describe what is the process of conjugation in bacteria E. coli. Now number 7 type of sexual reproduction is transformation. So scientist Griffith in 1928 done a experiment on the mice, and they describe the process of transformation of bacteria. Okay, and number third one is transduction. So today's topic is transformation. You know very well, scientist Griffith done an experiment on mice, but after the Griffith, 3 scientists named Avery, McLeod and McCarthy in 1944 done the complete description or complete explanation of the Griffith's experiment. So now we are going to discuss Griffith's experiment on mice. So this is the sexual reproduction. A type is transformation. So this is the type of sexual reproduction. So scientist Griffith in 1928 done a experiment. Number 1, of bacteria that is rough and smooth. So rough bacteria, ROUGH, rough bacteria, non-virulent. Non-virulent means these type of bacteria not cause any type of disease. This is known as R7. And smooth bacteria is virulent, which are causative agent. Smooth bacteria is causative agent, or we can say these bacteria are responsible for cause pneumonia in any living organism. So smooth bacteria is virulent. This bacteria is known as S3rd. Clear? So scientist Griffith take two types of bacteria. Number one is rough bacteria. Number second is smooth bacteria. Rough bacteria do not cause any type of pneumonia, while smooth bacteria cause pneumonia because this cause pneumonia disease, and this name is Diplococcus pneumoniae. So now we are going to steps of experiment. Number first, Griffith take the R7 bacteria and inject in the mice. Inject in mice. Then what is the result? Mice lives. Means any type of disease does not occur in this case. Now second, smooth bacteria which are violent. So S3rd, inject in mice died. Mice died होंगे यहाँ पे because mice is died due to the pneumonia. Now Griffith took S3rd bacteria and heat approx 60 degrees Celsius and inject in mice. Take the bacteria of S3rd and heat and inject in the mice, and what is the result? Mice lives. Clear? Now number 4 is, now Griffith took S3rd bacteria plus heat and then add to R2 bacteria which are non-virulent in nature. Now these are injected in mice. And now that's it. Mice die. So how can it is possible? You know very well, S3rd plus heat makes a non-virulent in nature, and R7 is already a non-virulent in nature. But these both are mixed together and inject in the mice, then mice are died. Because ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Because the DNA, or we can say genetic material of S3rd bacteria are transformed in the R2 bacteria and cause the pneumonia, which are the responsible for the mice death. So guys, so this is the transformation experiment of Griffith which are done on the mice. So you know very well. So this is the transformation process where S3rd, the DNA of S3rd is transformed in the R2 DNA. Okay guys, बाकी मैं कल पढ़ाऊंगा आपको ट्रांसलेशन के बजाय. ओके, थैंक यू. Bye.